Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be using my muse Shakira as my client, and I'll be doing a natural but fun look. So I'm going to start off by cleaning her face with aloe vera gel. It's one of my favorite things to use on the skin. It's very calming, soothing, and it also clears up your dark spots. Now I'm going to go in with her brows. I'm actually going to be using the Believa Brow by L'Oreal Paris. The color is actually in 575 Dark Brunette. So once I fill her brows in, I'm actually going to clean it up with the Conceal It LA Colors Concealer. And that color is in Deep. I'm going to use that concealer and place it all over her eye bed to serve as the concealer and eyeshadow primer as well. Because the Believa brow is very dark, I'm just going to do light strokes in her brows to make it look more natural but at the same time look full. So I'm going to start with this flat top brush and I'm just going to carve her brows out and bring that concealer down. I'm going to dip into my Morphe palette and I'm going to start off by using the dark brown eyeshadow and I'm just going to pat that all over her eye bed. I'm going to bring it up to her eyebrow bone area and just to blend everything together. This is going to serve as my translucent color. Now I'm going to dip into the same palette and I'm going to go in with a more reddish burgundy color and I'm just going to put that in her crease. Now I'm going to deepen it up with some dark purple. To cut that crease, I'm going to actually use the dark brown and black color mixed together and I'm going to make that eye bed and crease a little bit smokier. So I'm just going to place that there and bring it all the way up to her tear duct. Blend, blend, blend. So now I'm actually going to go in with the NYX concealer. That color is in Glow Eclat CJ06 and I'm going to use the Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer to cut her crease. I'm not going to do a large crease, I'm just going to do like a small cute lid. And then after that I'm going to go back into the same Morphe palette to put a translucent shade like a cream eggnog color to lay on top of that for the foundation. And then I'm going to go in to the pinkish color. Alright, so now I'm going to use patting motion to pat that pink color in. It's really bright and nice. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit Color Sun Dip and use the bronzy color to put in her tear ducts. Alright, so I'm going to take this cotton ball. I sprayed coconut water and aloe vera gel on there just to clean up under her eyes with all of the fallouts from the previous concealers. and eyeshadows, I'm actually going to go in with the NYX Pore Filler. This is one of my favorite pore fillers. It's silicone based. I'm just going to apply this in her T-zone areas and around her face. It is supposed to minimize your pores and make you look like a porcelain queen. So for her foundation, I'm actually mixing two foundations. I'm using one foundation stick by Black Opal, and then I'm going to be using the Black Opal foundation, liquid foundation, to place around her contoured area. Everything is blended in nicely. I'm going in with the same concealer I used on her eyelids, and that is in the color Deep LA Colors Conceal It, and I'm just going to highlight her face. I'm going to blend that out, and then I'm going to go in with my Contour Duo powder. I'm actually going to use the Midnight Banana powder to set under her eyes and the T-zone area, and then I'm going to brush that out. So to give her eyes more definition, I'm going back into my Morphe palette and I'm going to dip into that purple color, and I'm just going to place that on her waterline. Okay, so now for her highlight, I'm using an Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going to place that on her cheeks and bring it up over her eyebrow. That's going to give you a nice glow but wet look at the same time. Eyeliner, I'm actually using Music Flower Long Wear Gel Eyeliner in the color black. I'm just going to place this all over her eyelid. I want her lips to look a little bit natural, but at the same time with a pink nude undertone. So I'm going to outline her lips with a burgundy lip liner pencil and then go in with a lighter lip liner pencil and fill the lips in. So I use a mixture of colors on her lips. I use the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this color is in the color London. And then I use the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip Gloss in the color Pink. And I'm just going to place that around her lips to outline it, and then I'm going with the ColourPop color and pop that in the middle of her lips to make it look more of an ombre effect, but at the same time a little bit more plumpier. Alright guys, so I'm towards the end of this video. So for the finishing touches, I'm actually going to spray her face down with the Magic Collection Coconut Water Hydrating Mist, and this is going to set all of her makeup in place. Alright guys, so we're towards the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching it, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.